Kiwi. The kiwi is a flightless bird. It is found in the forests of New Zealand. It has a plump body covered with shaggy, dull brown feathers. Its neck and legs are short. Its bill is long, curved and flexible. It has no tail. Its wings are tiny, consisting only of several stiff feathers. The kiwi is the only bird that has nostrils at the tip of its bill. It uses them to smell food in the thick, wet forests where it lives. It is about the size of a domestic chicken. It is shy by nature and will usually run away when anyone comes near it. At night, it feeds on earthworms, insects and berries. During the day, it hides. There are 3 species of kiwis. The term kiwi is a nickname for a New Zealander.